You may not realize it, but your closed-up home is full of stale and dirty air. You are breathing in the same air daily, which aggravates various health problems, including allergies and asthma. The EPA ranks indoor air pollution as one of the top 5 environmental risks to public health. It's time you do something about it. Advanced whole house fans are just that solution. These incredibly efficient, whisper-quiet fans can help alleviate these problems with a simple button press. When turned on, the whole house fan pulls large amounts of air from open windows throughout the home, up into the attic, and finally out the attic vents. This process of thermal mass cooling allows your home to replace the air in 3 to 4 minutes completely. Whole House Fan Company offers a whole house fan installation service with a big discount of $300 off on installation through Labor Day special. With 40+ years of experience installing whole house fans and providing exceptional services with over 500 5-star ratings, you have peace of mind your whole house fan is installed to the highest standard. Schedule a free in-home estimate and get yours now because this promo is only available for a limited time.